Let me have Samson here just for a moment. Thank you, Samson. Samson, this is the Pine Castle mascot right here. His name is Samson. Now, this dog's cute and pretty, but this is not the kind of attack dog that I want going through life. Now, go ahead, Emily. Some of y'all have sidekicks that look like this. And they're cute, and they're pretty, and they yelp, but they're really not going to get you to the promised land. Now, I love Samson, but if I'm needing a warrior, if I'm needing someone to go to battle with me, I'm going to pick a sidekick that's got a little bit more weight than this. I want an attack dog. I want a pit bull. I want a massive dog. In fact, let me show you what kind of dog I want to walk with. Thank you, Samson. We got a dog here. That's the kind of dog I want. I want a big, mean. Come on, come on, let's go. Come. This kind of dog I want right here. Hey. Yeah, there you go. Oh. Whoa. Sit. Good boy. Now, Samson's messing up my point here. Sit. If I'm going into battle, I want two Calebs. I want that dog and this dog. Boy, he messed me all up. I had all my points down, I had all my thoughts, and then Samson messes everything up. Now, this dog is eating the sub there, Jim. Sorry about that. I kid you not. The last thing Jim said to me, the guy who's doing the drama, he says, "Don't touch my sub, that's my lunch." I'm just going to let him eat. I can't do much. Oh. Good boy, good boy. Man. Anybody here big enough to tell him he can't have the sub? Now, my point was supposed to be, until Samson messed it up, that if you're walking through life, you better have a sidekick that means business and has a pit bull mentality, not just a wimpy kind of easygoing type. Joshua, watch this. As Joshua was worshiping the Lord, God, you're my deliverer. God, you're my salvation. He had a dog that was eating Jim's sub. I mean, he had a dog who was getting after it, fighting. Now listen, thank you. He ate that whole thing. He ate the whole thing. Unbelievable. Boy, he knocked my mic off and everything. Now, if I were you, I would get an attack dog. I'd get a Caleb. That means business. And does whatever in the world he wants to do. Let's go, dog. We're done with this. Give Sarah, I think is her name. He ate that whole sub. I cannot believe that. He ate a 12-inch sub in 2 minutes.